Hello friends, welcome to the Angular 8 tutorial. In this tutorial we will see what is lazy loading in Angular 8. In the previous tutorial we have seen Agar loading and the module loading in the Angular 8. So basically in the Agar loading we have to load all the modules in the app component file, and before running the website all the module load at the starting point of time. But in lazy loading basically it load module on the demand, and it help us to reduce time at the loading time of the application at the startup point of time, because in the lazy loading at the startup no need to load all the module. Unlike Agar loading, in lazy loading no need to load all module at the once in the startup file, and it load only respective module which user want to see. Like if I want to see the student portal, then it will load to the student related module only, not other module. To load feature module using lazy module, we have to use load children property in the root config file. Like there is a one property called this load children, and using of this property we create the lazy module. So for big application lazy loading is very useful. Like in the startup point of time no need to load all the module, that's why it's very useful for the big application. In the lazy loading, module should not load in app module, unlike Agar loading. Like in Agar loading we use all the module in the app.module.ts file, but in the lazy loading that no need to do, otherwise it will become like a Agar loading. And root load children property we use like this. Like in the root config file we give the path, which path you want to give, and for the load children we have to give this full path, like where our this module stand. So we have to give like src, and then this full path we have to give it. So basically in the Agar loading we have seen in the previous tutorial, like here like when we created this application we can see in the console log, like it is loading student and college module first, then it is showing the app, means app, then it is running to the Angular application basically. So here we can see like before running the Angular application it is loading all the module. So in this tutorial basically we will see this kind of output, but we will see this output using the lazy loading. So let's go to the Visual Studio and we will continue the example which we have seen in the Agar loading, means in the previous tutorial. So if you didn't watch the previous tutorial, I recommended you to please go to that tutorial series and see how we create the Agar loading in the Angular 8, because we are proceeding with that example only. So what we have done in the previous example, like we have created a two folder for the college and student, and we created the respective component and the module and one routing file, and we created a one more component called college list. So when we click on this college, and it in the college label we are showing one link, and when we click on that link it is showing the respective list. So same we did for the student, like one module file, one routing file, and the student list. And in the module app.module.ts we have given the reference for the both the modules like student and college. And what we did in the routing of this app routing, we have given the this path and the redirection. So when we save it and see on the browser, so let's save it and see on the browser what it shows. Like it is showing like student, by default we have given the path for the student. So when we click on this student it is showing student list, and when we click on this it is showing the respective. Like same goes for the college and the college list. When we do the F12 and see on the console, we can see like before running the Angular application it is loading all the modules. So it is an example of the Agar loading. Now let's create same scenario using the lazy loading. So for creating the lazy loading, first what we have to do, first we have to remove these two module, because that is the first step if we come out from the Agar loading. Like in the Agar loading, in the app.module.ts file we have to load all the module, but in the lazy loading no need to do this. So let's remove it. I have removed and removed the reference from import array as well. So that is the first step. Now the second step is like we have to use the load children in the root config file. So here I will write like path, and I will give one path like student, and here I will take one property of load children, and in this load children I will give full path like, and before that I will give comma here and src, and after that app, and inside this we are going to give for student, and inside this student we are going to give the module name student dot module, and then hash, and in this hash we have to give the module name. So basically the module name is student module. So that is the first thing we have done. Now similar way we will do for the college as well. So let's copy it and I'll paste it here, and here I will write college, and here I will replace. So like we are loading it using the load children. Similar way I will do like this. Here I have given the wrong spelling for the college basically, but we will proceed with this. So let's save it. So after giving the load children config file, what next we have to do? We have to go to the respective module. Like here we have given the path. So first we have to remove these things, and we have to make it empty, and similar way we will do it for student also. Like remove this, let's save it. So these changes we have done. Now let's serve it first. So all changes will come. So ng sir, so it will compile thoroughly, and any error if it will be there, it will let us know. So what so far what changes we have done? First we have removed all the modules from app.module.ts file, and after that we went to the app routing module, and here we have added load children. And next thing what we have to do, we have to remove this redirect, otherwise by default it will load the student file. So let's remove these things, and after that what we did, we added the load children, and after this load children we went to the respective module routing, and we remove the path, because we have given that path into app.routing.module.ts. here we have given this full path, so that's why we are not giving path there. So it's compiled successfully. Now let's see on the browser. So it is loading. So it is redirecting to this student. Let's load to this page. So we can say like we didn't give any path, default path here, that's why we can see like it is not going to the respective page. And we can see here in the console log file, we can see here like it is loading only app module dot loaded. It is not loading the modules, and we can see it is running the Angular application. So that is the example of the lazy loading. Now let's click on this student. When I will click on this student, it will load this respective module. So if I click on this, we can see here, we can see like it is loading student module loading, and it is not loading before that. So that is the example of the lazy loading. Like once the application runs and user demand on the respective module, it loaded. When I click on it, we can see student list. And now if I will click on this college, it will load this module. See, when I click on it, it shown the college module loading, and if I click, it will show the respective data. So that is the way of create the lazy loading, and like we have to create it using the load children. So and in this manner we can create the lazy loading in the Angular 8. If you have any question or doubt, please comment. Thank you.